TOPDSK ITSM Online Training. Introduction to TOPDSK ITSM. TOPDSK ITSM, IT Service Management, is a comprehensive solution designed to help organizations manage and optimize their IT services and support functions. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Key features: Incident management streamlines the process of reporting, tracking, and resolving IT incidents. Helps ensure that issues are resolved quickly and efficiently. Service request management allows users to submit service requests and track their progress. This can include requests for hardware, software, or other IT services. Change management manages and controls changes to IT systems and services, ensuring that they are implemented with minimal disruption to operations. Problem management identifies and manages the root causes of incidents, aiming to prevent future occurrences and improve overall service quality. Configuration management maintains a database of IT assets and configurations, providing visibility into the relationships and dependencies between various components. Knowledge management provides a centralized repository of information and solutions to common issues, helping to improve efficiency and reduce the number of repeat incidents. Self-service portal offers end users a platform to submit requests, report issues, and access knowledge articles without needing direct interaction with the IT support team. Service catalog allows organizations to define and publish a catalog of available IT services, making it easier for users to request and receive the services they need. Reporting and analytics provides insights into service performance, incident trends, and other key metrics to help organizations make data-driven decisions and improve their ITSM processes. Automation and workflow automates routine tasks and processes, helping to improve efficiency and reduce the manual workload on IT staff. Benefits: improved efficiency streamlines IT processes and reduces the time spent on managing incidents and service requests. Enhanced user experience provides users with easy access to IT services and support, improving overall satisfaction. Better visibility offers insights into IT service performance and trends, helping organizations make informed decisions. Reduced downtime helps to quickly resolve incidents and minimize the impact on business operations. Compliance and risk management ensures that IT processes are managed in a controlled and compliant manner, reducing risks associated with changes and incidents. Service desk management in TOPDSK ITSM. TOPDSK ITSM IT Service Management offers comprehensive solutions for service desk management. Here's a detailed look at its key features and capabilities. 1. Incident management. Ticketing system, centralized platform for logging, tracking, and resolving incidents. Categorization and prioritization. Incidents can be categorized and prioritized to streamline handling. Automatic escalation. Incidents can be automatically escalated based on predefined rules and thresholds. Knowledge base integration provides access to a knowledge base for quicker resolution. 2. Service request management. Service catalog. Users can request services from a predefined catalog of options. Request fulfillment automated workflows to handle and fulfill service requests efficiently. Approval processes, built-in approval mechanisms for requests requiring authorization. 3. Change management. Change request system, manage changes through a structured request and approval process. Impact assessment, evaluate the potential impact of changes on services and infrastructure. Change scheduling, schedule changes to minimize disruption and align with maintenance windows. 4. Problem management. Problem tracking, track and manage underlying issues causing incidents. Root cause analysis, tools for conducting root cause analysis to prevent future incidents. Known errors database, maintain a database of known errors and their workarounds. 5. Configuration management. Configuration management database, CMDB maintain an up-to-date database of configuration items and their relationships. Asset management, track and manage IT assets and their life cycle. 6. Self-service portal. User portal provides users with a self-service portal to submit incidents and service requests. Knowledge articles. Users can access knowledge articles and FAQs for self-help. Service requests allows users to request services and track the status of their requests. 7. Automation and workflows. Workflow automation, automate routine tasks and processes to improve efficiency. Incident routing, automatically route incidents to the appropriate team or individual based on predefined rules. 8. Reporting and analytics. Customizable reports, generate reports on service desk performance, incident trends, and more. Dashboards, real-time dashboards provide visibility into key metrics and performance indicators. 9. Integration capabilities. API integration, integrate with other ITSM tools, monitoring systems, and third-party applications. Email integration, integrate with email systems for ticket creation and updates. Change management with TOPDSK ITSM. Change management in TOPDSK ITSM is designed to help organizations efficiently manage and control changes to their IT systems. Here's an expanded overview of how it typically works. 1. Change request initiation. Submission. Users or IT staff submit a change request, CR, through the TOPDSK portal or via integration with other systems. Categorization. Requests are categorized based on their nature, example hardware, software, configuration changes, to streamline processing. 2. Change assessment. Impact analysis. Assess the potential impact of the proposed change on the IT environment, including risks and benefits. Approval process. Depending on the type of change, approvals may be required from different stakeholders, such as Change Advisory Board, CAB, or relevant department heads. 3. Change planning. Detailed planning. Develop a detailed plan that includes the scope, schedule, resources required, and rollback procedures. Communication. Notify all affected parties about the planned change and its schedule to ensure they are prepared. 4. Change implementation. Execution. Implement the change according to the approved plan, following established procedures to minimize disruption. Monitoring. continuously monitor the implementation to ensure it is proceeding as planned and to identify any issues early. 5. Change review and closure. Post-implementation review. After the change is implemented, review its success, including whether it met its objectives and how it affected the environment. Documentation. Update documentation and knowledge bases to reflect the new state of the system. Closure. Officially close the change request in TOPDSK, ensuring all related activities and reviews are completed. 6. Reporting and analytics. Reports. Generate reports on change management metrics, such as the number of successful changes, failed changes, and the impact on IT services. Analysis. Use these reports to analyze trends, identify areas for improvement, and inform future change management strategies. 7. Integration with other ITSM processes. Incident management. Integrate with incident management to quickly address any issues arising from changes. Problem management. Link to problem management to ensure that changes help resolve underlying problems and prevent future incidents. Configuration management. Update configuration management databases, CMDB, to reflect changes to the IT infrastructure. 8. Automation and workflow management. Automation. Use automation to streamline repetitive tasks within the change management process, such as notifications and approvals. Workflow customization. Customize workflows to match the organization's specific needs and processes, ensuring flexibility and efficiency. Problem management in TOPDSK ITSM. Problem management in TOPDSK ITSM is a crucial aspect of IT service management focused on identifying, analyzing, and resolving the root causes of incidents to prevent their recurrence. Here's an expanded view of how problem management is typically handled in TOPDSK ITSM. 1. Problem identification. Problem detection. Problems are often identified through incident reports, recurring issues, or patterns observed in the incident data. Integration with incident management. Incidents related to the same underlying issue can be linked to a single problem record, helping to streamline the identification process. 2. Problem logging. Creating problem records. When a problem is identified, a problem record is created in TOPDSK. This record includes details such as the description of the problem, impact, urgency, and related incidents. Categorization. Problems are categorized based on their nature, such as hardware, software, or network-related issues. This helps in assigning the problem to the appropriate team. 3. Problem analysis. Root cause analysis. TOPDSK provides tools and workflows to assist in root cause analysis, including the use of diagnostic tools, historical data analysis, and brainstorming sessions. Impact assessment. Evaluate the impact of the problem on IT services and business operations to prioritize resolution efforts effectively. 4. Problem resolution. Workarounds. Temporary solutions or workarounds may be provided to mitigate the impact of the problem while a permanent fix is being developed. Permanent solutions. Once the root cause is identified, a permanent solution is developed and tested. TOPDSK allows for tracking the implementation of these solutions. 5. Problem closure. Verification. Before closing a problem, ensure that the solution has been effective and that the problem has been resolved satisfactorily. Closure process. Update the problem record with the resolution details, impact analysis, and any lessons learned. This information is valuable for future reference and continuous improvement. 6. Knowledge management. Documentation. Problems and their solutions are documented in the knowledge base. This helps in providing information for similar issues in the future and supports the incident management process. Knowledge sharing. Ensure that the knowledge gained from problem management activities is shared across the IT organization to improve overall service delivery. 7. Reporting and metrics. Performance metrics. TOPDSK allows for the generation of reports and dashboards to track key metrics related to problem management, such as problem resolution times, recurring problems, and root causes. Continuous improvement. Analyze these metrics to identify trends and areas for improvement in the problem management process. 8. Integration with other ITSM processes. Change management. Problems often lead to changes in IT infrastructure. Integration with change management ensures that any changes required to fix a problem are tracked and managed properly. Incident management. Ongoing collaboration with incident management teams ensures that problems are addressed quickly and efficiently, minimizing the impact on users. Configuration management in TOPDSK ITSM. Configuration management in TOPDSK ITSM focuses on managing and maintaining information about IT assets and their relationships to ensure efficient operation and support. Here's a detailed overview. 1. Configuration management overview. Objective: to ensure that the configuration items, CIs, within an organization are accurately recorded and maintained to support IT service management processes. Scope includes the identification, control, and monitoring of CIs and their relationships. 2. Key components. Configuration items, CIs. These are components of the IT environment, such as hardware, software, documentation, and services that need to be managed. Configuration Management Database, CMDB, a centralized repository that stores information about all CIs, their attributes, and their relationships. 3. Key features in TOPDSK. CI repository. TOPDSK provides a flexible CI repository where you can define and track various types of configuration items, including servers, applications, network devices, and more. Relationship management. Track and visualize the relationships between CIs to understand dependencies and impacts. This helps in identifying potential issues and managing changes effectively. CI Life Cycle Management. Manage the life cycle of CIs, including their creation, maintenance, and retirement. This helps in keeping the inventory up to date and relevant. Change management integration. Integrate configuration management with change management to ensure that changes to CIs are tracked and managed properly, reducing the risk of disruptions. Audit and reporting. TOPDSK offers tools for auditing and reporting on CIs. This helps in verifying the accuracy of the CMDB and ensuring compliance with internal and external requirements. 4. Best practices. Define clear CI categories. establish clear categories and attributes for different types of CIs to ensure consistency and clarity in the CMDB. Regular updates. Ensure that the CMDB is updated regularly to reflect changes in the IT environment accurately. Integration with other ITSM processes. Integrate configuration management with other ITSM processes like incident management, problem management, and change management for seamless operations. Training and documentation. Provide training for staff involved in configuration management and maintain detailed documentation for processes and procedures. 5 benefits. Improved visibility. Enhanced visibility into the IT environment helps in understanding dependencies and impacts, leading to better decision-making. Better change management. Effective tracking of CIs and their relationships supports more controlled and less disruptive changes. Enhanced incident and problem management. Accurate CI information helps in faster diagnosis and resolution of incidents and problems. Knowledge management with TOPDSK ITSM. TOPDSK ITSM, IT Service Management, offers various features for knowledge management that can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of IT support and service delivery. Here's an overview of how TOPDSK facilitates knowledge management. 1. Knowledge base creation and management. Knowledge articles. Create and maintain a repository of knowledge articles that address common issues, solutions, and best practices. These articles can be categorized and tagged for easy retrieval. Templates. Use templates to standardize knowledge articles, ensuring consistency and completeness. 2. Search and retrieval. Powerful search functionality. TOPDSK provides a robust search engine that allows users to find relevant knowledge articles quickly. Advanced search options help refine results based on keywords, categories, and tags. Smart suggestions. When users submit requests or incidents, TOPDSK can suggest relevant knowledge articles based on the content of the request, helping users find solutions faster. 3. Integration with incident and request management. Automated knowledge linking. Automatically link relevant knowledge articles to incidents and service requests. This helps support staff resolve issues more efficiently by providing them with contextual information. Self-service portal. Allow end users to access the knowledge base through a self-service portal, enabling them to find answers to common questions and resolve issues independently. 4. Collaboration and review. Collaborative editing. Multiple team members can collaborate on creating and updating knowledge articles, ensuring that information remains current and accurate. Review and approval workflows. Implement workflows for reviewing and approving knowledge articles before they are published. This ensures that only accurate and high-quality content is available to users. 5. Analytics and reporting. Usage analytics. Track the usage of knowledge articles to understand which topics are most frequently accessed and identify areas for improvement. Feedback mechanism. Collect feedback from users about the usefulness of knowledge articles. This feedback can be used to refine and enhance the content. 6. Access control and permissions. Role-based access. Define roles and permissions to control who can create, edit, and view knowledge articles. This helps protect sensitive information and ensures that only authorized personnel can make changes. 7. Knowledge management strategy. Knowledge capture. Encourage the capture of knowledge from experienced staff and document it in the knowledge base. This helps preserve valuable insights and expertise within the organization. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and update the knowledge base to ensure that it remains relevant and accurate. Incorporate lessons learned from incidents and user feedback. 8. Integration with other systems. Third-party integrations. Integrate TOPDSK with other IT systems and tools to enrich the knowledge base with information from external sources and enhance its utility. Asset management in TOPDSK ITSM. In TOPDSK ITSM, asset management is a crucial component for maintaining visibility and control over an organization's assets. Here's a detailed look at how it works and its key features. Key features of asset management in TOPDSK ITSM. Asset tracking. Inventory management keeps track of all IT assets, including hardware, computers, servers, network devices, and software, licenses, applications. Real-time updates allows for real-time updates on asset status, location, and ownership. Asset life cycle management. Life cycle stages manages assets throughout their life cycle, from procurement to retirement. This includes tracking purchase dates, warranty periods, maintenance, and disposal. Depreciation management helps in calculating asset depreciation based on predefined rules and usage. Integration. Configuration Management Database CMDB integrates with the CMDB to ensure that asset information is consistent across ITSM processes. Other systems connects with other systems such as financial software for budgeting and cost management. Automated workflows. Request fulfillment automates workflows for asset requests, approvals, and procurement, improving efficiency and reducing manual errors. Incident management links assets with incident tickets to streamline problem resolution and track asset-related issues. Reporting and analytics. Asset reports generates reports on asset usage, cost, and performance. This helps in making informed decisions regarding asset management. Compliance tracking monitors compliance with policies and regulations, such as software license compliance. User and access management. Ownership and access control defines asset ownership and access rights, ensuring that only authorized users can access or modify asset information. Asset assignment tracks which assets are assigned to which users or departments, facilitating better resource management. Mobile access. Mobile app provides access to asset information and management features via mobile devices, allowing for updates and tracking on the go. Barcode and RFID support. Identification supports the use of barcodes and RFID tags for easy asset identification and tracking, reducing manual entry errors. Maintenance and service. Scheduled maintenance tracks and schedules routine maintenance tasks for assets to ensure they remain in good working condition. Service requests allows users to submit service requests related to asset issues, which are then tracked and managed through the ITSM system. Customizable. Flexible configuration offers customization options to tailor the asset management features to meet specific organizational needs and workflows. Why choose ProExcellency for TOPDSK ITSM online training? Choosing ProExcellency for TOPDSK ITSM online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically offers training led by experienced instructors with in-depth knowledge of TOPDSK ITSM. This ensures that you receive high-quality education from professionals who understand the platform's nuances. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are designed to cover all aspects of TOPDSK ITSM, from basic functionalities to advanced features. This helps you gain a thorough understanding of the system and how to use it effectively. Flexible learning. Online training from ProExcellency allows you to learn at your own pace and on your schedule. This flexibility is especially valuable if you have other commitments or prefer to learn in a self-paced environment. Practical approach. ProExcellency often emphasizes hands-on training, which means you can practice using TOPDSK ITSM in real-world scenarios. This practical experience is crucial for mastering the tool and applying your knowledge effectively. Support and resources. They typically provide additional resources such as study materials, forums, and ongoing support to help you succeed in your training. Access to these resources can enhance your learning experience and provide answers to any questions you might have. Certification preparation. If you're looking to get certified, ProExcellency's training programs often include preparation for TOPDSK ITSM certification exams. This can help you achieve certification and validate your skills in the platform. Reputation and reviews. ProExcellency may have a strong reputation and positive reviews from previous participants, which can be a good indicator of the quality of their training services. Thank you.